A team at Auckland University has figured out how to make a 3D scan and print so accurate it can fool the facial recognition on some mobile phones. But as Logan Church reports, the technology that achieves that also offers some exciting opportunities.
Just how secure is your phone if we can make a fake version of you?
It's becoming so accessible that the latest iPhones and iPads have LiDAR scanners in them.
So this is the image that it's spat out.
Yes, so from the scanner we go into sort of specialist software. We can play around with it until we get something that looks a little less noisy and looks pretty much like you.
Several hours later,
here we have you.
That is terrifying. Even scarier, watching it fool this phone's facial recognition security. So much personal information is locked away on our phones and online. Thousands of Kiwis each year unwittingly give criminals access to it. And identity theft is big business, costing Kiwis more than $200 million a year.
We see pretty regularly people's identities or online profiles being used to scam other people out of money or information.
Are there easier ways to crack into a phone than using a $40,000 3D scanner and $500,000 3D printer? Of course there are. But the technology is only getting cheaper and more accessible.
What is real? We kind of enter into this matrix element of how can I guarantee that what I'm seeing on a screen or what somebody's showing me something can do is actually doing the thing that they claim it to be doing.
It's not all grim. Security tech is better than ever before.
Make sure you keep your devices up to date. Also really important to keep your passwords safe. And finally, critical to have multi-factor authentication wherever you can as well.
This phone cracking capability was discovered as the team here researched what this technology could achieve.
It's not that we are trying to break into phones, we're trying to test the limits of this technology for real-world, human-centric problems which it can solve.
Some big opportunities for humanity, even if this is a bit freaky. Logan Church, One News.